everybody, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rachel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I am making for dinner, and it's going to be fast, simple, and easy because who wants to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, especially when you are trying to feed your family and just get things done after a long day? Don't want to be doing that. One thing I do recommend to speed things up is like at the beginning of the week or on Sunday before the week starts, to make extra of any protein of your choice. So this way you can make different things with it throughout the week. So that's what I did with chicken. And so we are going to be using chicken today for our dinner. So I am going to just place the chicken that I made here and this baking pan, this baking dish. And one thing I recommend to make things easier for the cleanup is to put either tin foil or that baking parchment. It just makes things a lot quicker and simpler for the cleanup process. I am going to use some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce to go ahead and season it, because barbecue chicken sounds really good right about now. And I'm just gonna thoroughly saturate it. And we'll just put it in the oven for probably just like 10 to 15 minutes because it is already cooked. So it just needs to just heat up a bit. Go ahead and set these off to the side. And now we'll work on my cornbread. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some of this cornbread. This is delicious. I haven't had this in a while and I'm really craving it. So we're gonna use this cornbread today. Oven has already preheated at 375 and it is ready to pop in the oven. A couple hours ago, I made some mac and cheese. It looks delicious and it tastes delicious. I gave Mila some for lunch. Got the cheese, the Velveeta cheese, and also these elbows, and it just tastes really good when you just make it up together, and it doesn't take very long at all. It's just like 8 minutes. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and make some Ora-Ida extra crispy fast food fries. These fries are really good and they are minus all the oil and fat and all that, so are a lot more healthy for you. And went ahead and lined this again for an easy cleanup. All right, you guys, so that concludes this meal. My girls have now woken up from their nap and they are hungry and ready to eat. My husband also just got home from work and school. And so we are excited to eat this delicious meal that God has provided for us. All right, I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Also, share with a friend and leave me a comment. All right, thank you so much and have a wonderful day. God bless.